Lovely plate of chicken soup. Welcome, welcome, welcome you all. How you all are doing? Hope you all are doing fine. Hope you all are doing okay. Guys, I'm about to make some chicken soup. So this is my chicken. I'm going to clean this up and chop it up in bite-sized pieces. I have some nice yellow pumpkin over here with 3 corn, nice size corn. As you can see over here, scallion, garlic, and a big onion. So I'm gonna chop those up, and chicken is all clean up. Corn, wash and cut up. Pumpkin. So I'm about to put this in the pot now. As for the chicken, guys, you can use any part of the chicken that you choose to use. I'm using the leg and I'm using breast. Some people just use the breast alone. You know, they want the soup to be boneless. But I am using the leg part of the chicken and the breast. But you can use any part that you want to use. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put this in the pot. Bring your water to a boil. Putting in my corn. Chicken. And guys, down here, we normally drink soup. We normally cook soup on a Saturday or a Friday. But you can drink soup any day you choose to drink it, any day of the week. Worse corona in now. You know when you feel sick, a soup you want to drink. So you can drink soup any day of the week. But down here, we normally drink it on a Friday and a Saturday. We normally cook soup. Pot look pretty already. Two stalk of scallion, 5 cloves of garlic, and a large onion. So I'll go ahead and wash those and cut them up. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add that to my pot. Yes, guys. You know you want the chicken to have a little flavor. So you're gonna add this to the pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion, garlic, and scallion in my chicken soup. That I go on down a yard here, guys. In my little kitchen, in a Polly's little kitchen. Chicken soup I do it. I'm about to peel my food now and put in the pot. So I have 3 large Irish potato, Dasheen, yellow yam, 2 large nice big carrot. As you can see, 2 turnip. So I'm about to peel this and wash it and put it in my pot. I'm about to put my ground provision in my pot right now, guys. So stay with me. Putting in my ground provision in my chicken soup. Chicken soup is looking lovely already. Catch color already. Pumpkin body. Pumpkin bad, look at that. Yeah. Don't watch the water, you know, guys. I'm going to add some more water now to the pot. Huh? Checking on my soup pot, guys. Pot a go on with a whole heap of things around here, so. Pot a bubble. Look at that, man. Watch steam. Soup nice and pretty. Pot a bubble, guys. Watch steam. Whoa. Yeah, man, I'm going to put in my earth seasoning them now. I'm going to put in some pimento, scallion, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. Not just any pepper, you know, but scotch bonnet pepper because you want the flavor. And you all know scotch bonnet pepper give it the real flavor. Huh? I'm about to make some dumpling now. As you all know, down a yard, can't cook with soup unless you put some dumpling in it. Some real flour dumpling. I'm using some cornmeal with my flour, but you can go ahead and use flour alone if you want to. You don't have to put the cornmeal in it. But I like to put a little cornmeal in the flour, so that's exactly what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead now, knead this up, make some dough. I'm about to put my flour in my pot now. As you know, a soup, so you don't really want the big flour them. So you make your flour them small. You don't have to make them big like when you cook brown provision and dumpling. You know them big Johnny cake thing there. You make them small because of soup. So you can make those and you can make some spinners. You don't have to make the spinners them well small. You can make them about the size here. Any size you choose still. Anything that is comfortable with you. Anything you prefer. Because if you want to go ahead and make your dumpling them big, you can make them big. And your thing. And you eat it. But I prefer to make my dumpling them small when I'm putting them in soup. I don't like to make them big. I don't like to see big dumpling neither too. So I'm about to put my earth season in. My earth season and my spice. Pimento. Scallion. Carrots. Scotch bonnet pepper and some thyme. So I'm gonna put this in the pot now, guys. Some pimento. Thyme. Pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper, not just any pepper. Carrot. Lovely pot of chicken soup. Scallion. And I'm gonna put a soup mix in my soup to spice up the flavor. Lovely pot of chicken soup. I'm gonna put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I don't want too much salt because the soup mix have salt in it, so you have to go easy on the salt. So I'm gonna leave this to simmer down, to cook down. Chicken soup don't take long to prepare, guys. 45 minutes to an hour. Look at my chicken soup. This is finished now. Look at nice, lovely chicken soup. Lovely plate of chicken soup. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. Because guess what? You don't want to miss nothing that is going on in Polly's little kitchen down a yard, yeah. Aye?